how to disconnect from the AnyDesk network error. So if you want to disconnect from AnyDesk network error, then first you just need to simply open up your control panel, and here you need to go with system and security. Under that you will have Windows Defender Firewall. You need to open it up, and here tap on allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall option. Click on it, and here you will have an option of AnyDesk. So you just need to simply choose the AnyDesk application, and if you find the AnyDesk, you just need to simply go and check the two boxes for AnyDesk, and then go with change settings and click on OK. Once you've done that, you just need to simply again go with the settings option, and here you need to choose for Wi-Fi settings, and here make sure that you're connected to a stable network. Once you've connected to a stable network, you just need to simply go with restart and restart your device, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can disconnect from the AnyDesk network error. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.